Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play custom Skate 3 maps. First, you will need to understand the basic steps involved in adding new content to your game. We will cover finding the right files, preparing your game, and finally, launching these exciting new environments. This process opens up a world of creativity, allowing you to explore countless unique skate spots designed by other players. Get ready to expand your Skate 3 experience. Finding custom maps is your first step to expanding your Skate 3 world. Many dedicated fan communities and websites host a vast collection of user-made parks. Always check that the map files are compatible with your specific game version to avoid any issues. Once you find a map you like, simply download the necessary files to a convenient location on your computer, ready for the next stage. Installing your custom maps requires a few careful steps. You will typically use a dedicated modding tool or file manager to interact with your game's data. Carefully place the downloaded map files into the designated game directory, often within a Maps or Custom Content folder. Double-check the installation path to ensure everything is correctly positioned for the game to recognize your new park. With your custom map installed, it is time to launch Skate 3 and dive in. Once in the game, navigate to the section dedicated to custom content or user-created parks. You should see your newly added map listed there, ready for selection. Choose your desired park and prepare to shred through fresh terrain, experiencing countless hours of new challenges and creative lines. Have fun out there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.